So I'm a sports car guy. To me, a proper car has 2 seats, a manual transmission, and a folding top. Now that's the sound that wakes you up. That's the sound of love. It is impossible to drive a car like this and not giggle like a schoolgirl. I never thought I'd ever say there'd be a tourist with a 365 horsepower engine. So what's luxury? Is luxury the badge that hangs off your car? Or is the name off the back of your car? The question is, how much is the badge worth to you?
If you have water, you can create hydrogen out of water, put it in this vehicle, out the tailpipe's water. It's a completely renewable pathway.
You truly have your own renewable energy source, and it has 4 wheels.